Hey guys, what's going on? So sorry it's been so long since we've made a video. There's a lot going on. I got engaged and we just had a lot going on with work and we weren't able to get a video up, so I know we suck for that, but we got a lot done on the bike. Can't wait to show you guys that. We're super close, simply just waiting on the clutch. We ordered a Rekluse clutch for it, and that's the only part we're waiting for. Other than that, the bike's starting to go together. So it's good in the fact that we can put everything together except for slip the clutch in. So once we do that, then we'll obviously, whole bike's gonna be together. We're gonna film some stuff, and then at the end we can finally slip the clutch in, and then we'll be able to film and ride and take you on some more trail rides and everything like that. But yeah, so it's right over there. Can't show you too much of that because I don't want to give it away, but the front wheels on, that's exciting. And anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update. Yeah, sorry we haven't uploaded in a while, but give us your feedback. Let us know what video ideas you want. We got a lot more reviews coming up of a lot of these different bikes. Kyle's 2006 CRF250r. We already did a review on my dad's YZ250FX. Anyways, we appreciate all the support we've been getting on all of our videos, the feedback from you guys, especially the comments on the YZ250FX. We've been getting a lot of feedback on that, and we really appreciate just all you guys viewing in. But yeah, all right, we'll stay tuned and we'll get this video out soon on this bike.
Baby, come on. Tell me where you want to go. But baby, I don't